Hello students, the functions f and g are defined as respective 2 minus 3 cos x and half x. So part 1 of the question says solve the equation f of gx equals to 1. So that means we have to write f of gx, which is x by 2. So that is equals to 1. So that means f of, that means 2 minus 3 cos of x by 2 is equals to 1. So that is minus of 3 cos of x by 2 equals to minus 1. So cos of x by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore, x by 2 equals to cos inverse of 1 by 3, and x equals to 2 into cos inverse of 1 by 3, which is equals to 2.46 radians across. So that's the final answer for the first part of the question. Now moving on to the second part of the question, they have asked us to sketch the curve given here. So to sketch this curve, we'll first put the x values and the respective y values. So at x equals to 0, so the y value is negative minus 1 because it's 2 minus 3. Now if I'm putting down the respective points, so at x equals to pi by 2, so if I'm putting x as pi by 2, so that is the value should be 2 because cos pi by 2 is 0. So if I'm putting the values of cos pi, so that's equals to minus 1. So that means it will climb on to the max value there. And similarly, again at 2 pi, so it will land up again with a value of minus 1. So if I now plot the sketch of this particular cross curve, so if I take this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I'm writing as 0 and I have pi by 2 here, I have pi here, and I have 2 pi here. So the curve will start something calculated as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is minus 1. So the curve will start something from here. At pi by 2, it will be 2. So that means it is starting something like this, climbing on to the max value at pi, which is 5, and then again dipping down at 2 pi to minus 1. So that will be the sketch of this particular curve. Thank you, students.